When you're designing record-triggered automations, what is the best approach to create, update, or delete a different record than the one that triggered the transaction? Well, the first thing to know is that Cross Object CRUD is going to require a database operation no matter which tool you use. And the only tool in our list that doesn't support these types of Cross Object CRUD operations is the before save flow trigger. But if all three of these other approaches will work, which one is the best? Well, technically speaking, the Apex runtime requires less time to prepare and perform any specific database operation than the flow runtime, but the difference is negligible. And if you're looking for major performance improvements in your automations, you're probably going to be better off identifying and fixing inefficient process steps than trying to change your overall approach. When it comes to cross-object DML and flow, this usually means consolidating the number of DML statements that execute against the same record to the fewest number of update records components as possible to cut down on the number of database reads and writes. And if you have more complex use cases, like needing to sequentially or conditionally update several fields in the same record, consider using a record variable to temporarily store all of these values in memory and then persisting them out using one update records component at the end of the flow. If you're interested in learning more about this topic and reading best practice guidance for related scenarios, make sure to check out our Architect's Guide to Record-Triggered Automations. You can find it on the Salesforce Architects website, and I also added a link below. So make sure to check that out, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next time.